COUNTIF function counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. It actually counts what you've asked it to count. It counts a selection from a range. Let's say this is the range of the people, that the sales executives, Kim, Kate, Karen, and so on. So you want to use that formula COUNTIF. You want to use that formula COUNTIF, so you key in the equal sign. COUNTIF. It counts the number of cells within the range that meets a given condition. So the range is this, comma, criteria, Karen. Then close the parenthesis, hit enter. So this is to tell you that Karen appears twice on this list. Let's type in Kim here and see how many times Kim appears on that list. Kim also appears twice on this list. And who else is there? Kate. Let's type in Kate and see Kate appears how many times. Kate appears 3 times. Kate once, 2, and 3. So that is how to use the COUNTIF function.